When you have cataracts, it's like having a cloudy film between you and the rest of the world. So you have cataract surgery to make that film go away, but you're left with the same eyesight you had before cataracts. Crystal lens replacement lenses not only treat your cataracts, they help correct your full range of vision, so you can see near, far, and everywhere in between. In fact, many crystal lens patients hardly, if ever, need their glasses after surgery. Some crystal lens patients may experience glare and other visual disturbances. All surgical procedures entail some risk, and crystal lens has the same potential risks as all other intraocular lenses. Only your surgeon can determine if crystal lens is right for you. If you're planning cataract surgery, talk to your eye doctor about crystal lens. Or to find a crystal lens specialist in your area, visit crystallens.com. Crystal lens. Don't just see better.